Risk appetite is firmly back on today, with buyers emerging across multiple asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into corn. Corn surged to $473.50 per bushel, a move of plus 5.81% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $468 and $474.25. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. The move follows reports that Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Meanwhile, Brent crude is trading lower by minus 0.29% at $84.70. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC cuts demand forecast again as the oil market starts looking past Hormuz. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Meanwhile, WTI crude is little changed, hovering near $79.59. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC cuts demand forecast again as the oil market starts looking past Hormuz. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading lower by minus 0.65% at $2.90. The move follows reports that Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop. Coming back to corn. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on corn. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for corn sits around $501.91. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on weather forecasts and key producing region developments. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on corn. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.